This tutorial was made for Charlotte-Mecklenburg teachers to demonstrate the process for logging into and setting up a simple Canvas course or module to give students access to alternative instruction sources. This tutorial will not cover in-depth Canvas development or self-paced course curriculum setup. If you are planning to use a medium such as Google Classroom to deliver content, this is for you. Please begin by going to my.ncedcloud.org in your internet browser and logging in. You will need your 10-digit North Carolina ID number and password. This has already been completed in this tutorial. The next screen will be your Rapid Identity home screen. We will click the red Canvas icon. The next screen is confirming how you would like to log into Canvas. Both options on the left side of the screen, marked Staff and Students Login, will have two options: Login with NCEdCloud IM or Login with Google. I have found both work for staff at schools. In a home location, it's possible only one will work to log you into Canvas, however. If you choose to log in through Google, you may need to enter your CMS Google account, which is the same as your email address, in order to log in. If one doesn't work, try the other. For this tutorial, I will log in from the NCEdCloud IM option. Your Canvas dashboard will now show on your screen. On this dashboard, there should be a window for each class you currently teach. Some may not be divided into sections based on an A-Day, B-Day schedule. For example, all of my classes are both A-Day and B-Day classes combined into one class, whereas Mr. Wazani has all his students in one class. You will need to do the following for each class you have in Canvas that relates to a grade or subject that you teach. Some Canvas courses are courses you are actually enrolled in by the district and do not have to be accessed for this tutorial. Shown here as an example are Mentor Support, PDV Health Awareness, and Title IX Harassment. None of these courses are courses you teach and so can be ignored. Click one of your courses. For this example, I will click the Journalism 1 S2 for Mr. Wazani. You will need to click the title or colored area for it to work. You should be sent to your home page, which will look like an empty shell with a few options. We are going to change the home page to make your students and your life much easier. On the right side of the screen, click Choose Home Page. This will bring up 5 options. We are going to select Course Activity Stream, then select Save. Your home page is now your announcements page, and basically whatever you post in Canvas will appear here. On the left side of the screen, please select Announcements. On this page, in the top right hand corner, please select Plus Announcement. It's a big blue button. In the topic title section, which is where the cursor will naturally start when you load this page, please type Daily Attendance, click here. In the text box below that, please type or place whatever links you need for students to go to in order to get your classroom materials. A link to your Google Classroom could go here. Here's an example of what you could use when you set it up. Please put your individual classes into each Canvas section. For example, if this was just my 6th grade class, I would only post the 6th grade link to my 6th grade Google Classroom here. If this was my 6th, 7th, and 8th grade classes, I would post all of my links here so that each student would know which one to click to complete the material I need them to access. After you have all the information for students to access your materials posted, scroll down and click the Save button at the bottom right of the screen. The post should appear as an announcement. To confirm that this is the first thing students will see when joining your course each day, please click the Home tab on the top left of the screen. It should now show one announcement posted, and that will be the information for students to access your materials, such as your Google Classroom links. Students will need to go here and click this every day for attendance, even if they know where to find your materials otherwise. You should not have to use Canvas again to update anything from this point on. For troubleshooting not covered in this tutorial, please email me at Corey, K-O-R-Y-M.Trosclair, Trosclair, at cms.k12.nc.us. This tutorial was made based on the information available and may be subject to change based on the situation.